If you want an intermediate workout routine that you can do in just 7 minutes from the comfort of your home to build chest muscle, then this follow-along workout is for you. Hey there, Coach Tyler here, and today I'm going to share with you a simple 7-minute intermediate bodyweight workout routine that you can do with zero equipment and from the comfort of your own home to build chest muscle. Specifically, we will be targeting the pecs, which are the big muscles of your chest that pretty much everyone already knows about. And we will also hit the rest of the muscles that surround your shoulders. Muscles like your lats, your serratus, and most of the muscles that are between your shoulder blades as well. Oh, and we'll also make sure to hit your abs too, because who doesn't want a better set of abs? Am I right? Oh, and one more thing. Make sure to stick around to the end of this video, because I'll also give you an advanced bodyweight workout to build chest muscle, as well as my favorite cool down stretches for your chest after you finish this workout. Okay, now that you know what the plan is, here's how this workout is going to work. We're gonna do 30 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds of rest on the following 3 exercises. Hindu push-ups, wide stance, low chair, row and fly, and finally, kneeling grasshopper push-ups. We're gonna do this for 3 rounds. So, let's get started with those Hindu push-ups in 3, 2, 1, and go! Take a big breath in as you go down and give a big exhale as you go up. If this is too hard, try this. Turn your elbow pits forward, squeeze your glutes, and pull your shoulder blades back and down as you look toward the sky. 3, 2, 1. All right, you made it! Next up, wide stance, low chair, row and fly. Get ready! Take small breaths, keeping your core tight as you do this movement. If this is too hard, try this. Pull your elbow and hand as far back as you can without twisting your shoulders. Three, 2, 1, keep it up! Great job! Next up, kneeling grasshopper push-ups. Get ready! Take a big breath in as you go down and give a big exhale as you go up. If this is too hard, try this. Squeeze your abs and your glutes and tuck your pelvis. Don't let your back sag. 3, 2, 1. Great job. Keep it up. Round 2. Woo! Next up, Hindu push-ups. Get ready! Take a big breath in as you go down and give a big exhale as you go up. If this is too easy, try this. Make sure all the points of your hand are in contact with the surface and grip tightly with your fingers. 3, 2, 1, all right! Next up, wide stance, low chair, row and fly. Get ready! Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow has not come yet. We only have today, so bring it. If this is too easy, try this. Make sure the chair or surface you're using is nice and sturdy, okay? Safety first. Hang in there. 3, 2, 1. Keep it up. I'm proud of you. Next up, kneeling grasshopper push-ups. Get ready. Make sure all the points of your hand are in contact with the surface and grip tightly with your fingers. If this is too easy, try this. When you feel like quitting, remember why you started. 3, 2, 1. Keep it up. I'm proud of you. So, if you like this strategy of getting fit while feeling great, go ahead and click the link or go to WeShape.com, where you can get a workout that's absolutely customized to you, where we pick every single movement based on your goals, your strength, your flexibility, your balance, and your coordination. Okay, back to the exercise. Round 3, here we go. Try to stay tall through the top of your head the entire time. Even the greatest was once a beginner. Don't be afraid to take that first step. Do every rep with your heels in line with your hips and your toes facing forward. I know your arms feel weak, but push through. 3, 2, 1. You're crushing it. Next up, wide stance, low chair, row and fly. Get ready. Try to press through your shoulders and rotate your elbow pits forward as you do this movement. You're doing great. Keep building that energy. Try to remember to use the elevator to strengthen your core as you do this movement. Don't rush this movement. The more control you have, the better. You're not alone in this fight. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Next up, kneeling grasshopper push-ups. Get ready. Try to press through your shoulders and rotate your elbow pits forward to finish each rep. Try not to let your elbows flare out as you go down and up. Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow has not come yet. We only have today, so bring it. 3, 2, 1. You made it. All right, there you have it. A follow along 7-minute intermediate bodyweight workout routine to build chest muscle. Now, while building chest muscle is amazing, and I did my best to pick exercises that actually stretch and strengthen the other muscles that surround your shoulders, you also should dedicate just a little bit of time to stretching, because a tight chest can cause pain in your neck, upper back, and shoulders, and that's the last thing that I want for you. So, I made this video for you right here. And inside this video, I'm gonna share with you my 3 favorite stretches for all of the muscles of your chest. And when you do these 3 stretches, you can improve your posture, feel amazing, and create an upper body that actually feels as good as it looks. Oh, and if that's not enough, or if this workout was too easy for you, then make sure you try this workout right here instead. This is an advanced version of this intermediate workout to build chest muscle, and it will definitely do the trick if these exercises were too easy for you. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in that next video.